On the functions versus methods challenges, we're given three challenges. Each one's multiple choice, so we're just going to take care of them in one video. The first challenge says, is the code on the second line a function or a method? It said the empty list append. That was introduced to us as a class method, right? That is a method that is associated with the list class or the list data type. So we can go ahead and say method here. See, that is a correct, right? The list methods always use the syntax list name dot method name, right? Next up, we have, is the code on the second line a function or a method? Just syntactically, right? We haven't been introduced to map whatever this is here, but right, we can see syntactically, right, there is no dot. I don't have like a calling object dot method name, right? Object dot method string dot string method, list dot list method, anything like that. So this looks like a function to me. Let's go ahead and check that out. It is the map function, function name followed by the parameters that it takes. And for the third one, right, true or false, methods are applied to an object and functions are features called in an object. Let's check that out. I think that's false. Let's go ahead and check that out. Right? Methods are features called from within an object, and functions are applied to an object. Right? So they have these flip flop. Right? A method is called on a specific instance of an object, typically. Not always, but typically, and functions taken an object as a parameter. So that is functions versus methods challenged. Next up, you're going to be introduced to the len and sum functions, very important functions for you to know. That's it for this lesson. We'll see you over on the next one.